One of the biggest platform shifts we've seen in engineering over the last few years is that AI models can now write code. Things that used to take a team of engineers weeks to build, a single developer can now spin up in an afternoon. That changed who gets to create software. We started asking ourselves a pretty simple question. What is the equivalent shift for insurance? What happens when code generation is not just a capability for engineering teams, but something that underwriters, claims adjusters, and broker partners can use directly inside the tools they already work in every day? That is why we launched code generation in our AI assistant. So here's what this actually looks like. An underwriter drops a submission in and just asks the assistant to create a deck, a full submission profile, risk summary, exposure breakdown, loss history, pricing rationale, formatted the way their team presents to committee. Done in minutes. Or they point the assistant at their portfolio and ask for a dashboard, concentration by class of business, geography, limit bands, loss ratio trends. They are not waiting on BI. They are not filing a ticket. They just ask, and it builds. A program manager can ask it to build a complete microsite for a new program, with appetite, submission guidelines, and contact flow, ready to share with producing brokers. The point here is not that the assistant writes code. The point is that the distance between an insurance professional having an idea and that idea becoming a working tool, a shareable artifact, or a decision-ready output, that distance collapses from weeks to minutes. That is the shift.